Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we bring to you an ultra luxurious gated community which is spread over 2 acres of land with more than 15 ultra luxury amenities. These are ready to move in apartments, and there are two towers in this 2.1 acres of land, Tower A and Tower B. And both towers are G+29, as you could see that right on your screens right now. On the topmost floor they've got a sky lounge. That's a little zoom in to show you the topmost floor, just to get a sense of it. This community is located in the high-grown corridor of Bannerghatta Road, opposite to the Hulimavu Lake. It's got a lot of schools, malls and shopping centers all around. It's quite densely populated. It falls in the south of Bangalore. And as I mentioned to you before, it's an OC receipt project, so there won't be any GST applicable in this project. And the entrance into this project is through an 80 feet wide road, which is just opposite, which is adjacent to the property. And considering it's an ultra luxury project, it's got only 2 apartments per floor. That's the view of the swimming pool that it has. It's got a kids pool as well. And now let's walk you into the apartment and show you how the apartment is. The apartment that I'm going to show you is a 4-bedroom model apartment. See you up there. So now we are on the floor. We are on the 4th floor, where we're going to show you the mock-up apartment, which is of 3,560 square feet. Every floor here has got 2 apartments, and there's enough privacy because 2 separate doors and no common walls. That's the main door to the apartment. The apartment that I'm going to show you is a 4 BHK apartment, which is, again I repeat, 3,560 square feet. This is an OC receipt project, so no GST will be applicable on this project. All the homes here you get a video door phone system. All these homes come with basic smart home features, so they can be customized. These are customizable homes. And now we enter into the apartment. That's the first impression when you enter into this luxury apartment. It's a 4-bedroom. When you turn around to the left is the living area with an extended outdoor seating deck. The flooring here is marble flooring. That's the living area for you. Now we'll walk out to the deck area, the extended deck or the balcony. And that's the view it has to offer, a very beautiful, a very premium view. That's the Hulimavu Lake that I was referring to earlier. So this is going to be a view forever, as there's going to be nothing that's going to come and obstruct this view. So if you enjoy this view, I think this is a place that you can go for. Very premium, very pristine. And when you see down there, you could see all the amenities, the swimming pool, the amphitheater. That's where we enter into the apartment from. That's the main apartment entrance. It's got about 15 luxury amenities, almost around 15 in luxury amenities, like a kids play area, half basketball court, etc. And I will show you again the beautiful view. This is what I think you should be paying your money for. It's an unobstructed view because there's a road right there. It's an 80 feet road. Yeah, see, we're zooming in and showing you the road there. It's an 80 feet road, and just adjacent to the road is your lake, your Hulimavu Lake. A view which is always going to be there if you're an owner of the house. Now let's turn around and take you back into the apartment. that was a quick view of your outer deck, and now we head back and show you the living area from the extended balcony or the outer deck. These are customizable houses, so what you see is just a model. You could get things customized in as per your choice. What they have done here is, onto the left, they have created a bedroom. This is bedroom number 1. I'm not sure what purpose this serves, but that's a bedroom nonetheless. Or maybe you could use it as a family seating area or something. All the apartments here come with a centralized air conditioning. Now let's head back. And now we're in the center of the apartment. To the left, here is a puja room, which is centrally located. I think it's a very good feature if the puja room is centrally located. And then on this side, you've got 3 bedrooms, which you could see that's the door for bedroom number 2, and 2 bedrooms on opposite to each other. With right there in center of the screen is your common toilet with attached washroom. And I turn around to my right is the dining area. The dining area is neatly defined and is separate, and the dining area opens out to another balcony. And to the right of the dining is the kitchen. That's the kitchen, which I'll walk you in some time, and I will just turn around so that you get a 360 view. That's where we entered in the apartment from. And now let's show you the dining. It's an 8-seater dining table. And let's walk into the balcony. That's a small balcony of the smokers area, but that's the view. I'm not sure how long this is going to be there, but yeah, the lake view is always going to be unobstructed. But for now, you have this beautiful greenery as your backdrop, with a few apartment buildings on the other end. That's the view from the balcony. Heading back from the balcony into the dining area. And let's walk you into the kitchen. This house has got a gas leak detector, quite sophisticated technology that helps in detecting a gas leak, and which immediately shuts off the gas. That's the kitchen for you, and that's what the size of the kitchen is, which is connected to the utility. That's the view from the kitchen utility. We turn around and show you the kitchen from the utility. The kitchen is completely done. What it does is all the furnitures and everything, whatever in the kitchen, all the furnishings here gives you a sense of space, of how big the kitchen is. And I repeat again, these are all customizable. You could do a lot of changes as per your taste. And now we head back into the dining, and now we'll take you into bedroom number 2. That's bedroom number 2. This room's got vitrified tiles. All the rooms here have got centralized AC. That's the wardrobe. And this room opens out to a balcony with an amazing view of the Hulimavu Lake. That's the view of the bathroom. All the bathrooms here have got a bathroom occupancy sensor. These are automated. The moment you step into the bathrooms, the lights now we head out of bedroom number 2. And we head into bedroom number 3. That's the bedroom number 3. This room's got vitrified tiles, this flooring, and it's got an attached toilet and a bathroom. As I told you earlier, that all these bathrooms here have got an occupancy sensor. These are all automated. All these are basic smart home features. You get it along when you buy the apartment. So if you want more customization and make it more smart, you could do that as well. That's a huge window giving you a nice view of the lake again. And also of the amenities down below. That's the wardrobe. And now, before we head into master bedroom, which is right across to the left, is a common bathroom, a powder room with a shower area. And now let's head into the master bed. The master bed has got a wooden laminate flooring, and that's how the master bed is neatly done. It's got a huge window there with a bay window, seating where you can just sit and have a coffee and enjoy the weather outside. This room has got an wardrobe walk-in closet. With an attached toilet in the bathroom. Now that's the view of the master bed from the other end. That is where is the wardrobe walk-in closet, and that's the main door to the bedroom where we entered in from. That's the bed. So all in all, you've seen the master bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom, 3,560 square feet apartment. Which we have shown you. It's neatly done. The best part about this apartment is the view that it has to offer. It's really premium, I think, because in Bangalore, especially a lake, which is always going to be there, and an unobstructed view for lifetime is something which is a good deal maker for me, I guess. So hope you've liked the apartment, and if you really want to buy something like this, do contact on the numbers given below. Thank you so much and have a good day.